Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to use long hair filter on TikTok. So in order to do that, you need three apps, which are CapCut to edit it, TikTok of course, and then the Face app to add long hair. So let's head over to TikTok first to see what we're talking about. And when you see here, this in the search bar, if you search long hair CapCut, you will see videos like this, which has long hair filter. So let's click on one of them. So let's click this. And as you can see, this person right here from short hair becomes long haired. So what we need to do is to just head over to our Face app. And let's wait for it. And select a photo that we want to use. So for me, I will use this photo right here. And then in here in the bottom, you can see hair colors, impression sizes, age, smiles, features, hairstyles. So in here, just choose hairstyles. And you can see here options like haircut, long hair, long again, and then bangs and all of this. So what you need to do is to just click on long right here. So let's click that to process our video, and as you can see, this person already have long hair. So let's click on apply and then save it. And as you can see, it has been saved. So what we need to do next is to head over to TikTok and click on the video again. And you can see this CapCut try this template. So let's click that and click this use template in CapCut. Let's wait for it. It will direct us to CapCut and click this use template. And then choose the photo that we edit. So let's choose the edited and then the original and click on preview. And as you can see in here, from short hair to long hair. And once you're done with everything, click on export without watermark, and this will export our video and then automatically switch this to TikTok. So let's wait for it. Edit it out however you want using this icons right here, and once you're satisfied, click on next, and then you can now post it. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.